Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Live. As some of you might have known, my first video that I have ever made was from AHC, the Real Pure Eye Cream for Face. This is the product over here. And the new product that I'm going to introduce today is the new version, so from the season 7, and the name is AHC Ageless Real Eye Cream for Face. This is the product. Most of the products look really similar actually, just the color is different. Here they improved it a little bit. As you can see, this part is wider and this part is a little bit more thin. It's easier to apply it on under the eyes and around the nose area, for example. It's 30 ml for 58,000 Korean won. AHC Ageless Real Eye Cream for Face is not only good for your wrinkles, it's not only an anti-aging and firming product, but also it has whitening purpose. Usually AHC eye creams are good for 3 different kind of jobs. First of all, they are moisturizing your skin for long hours. They are really good for anti-aging purposes, and also they are whitening or brightening the skin. I applied on the season 6 onto this side of my face, and I applied on the season 7 onto this side of my face, and I was waiting for how long they can moisturize my skin, and I did experience better moisturizing skill on this side of my face, so I think the season 7 is better about moisturizing the skin. I cannot say anything about the whitening effect because my skin is originally kind of white and I don't have hyperpigmentations on my skin, so I couldn't test it on darker spots. And about the anti-aging, when I use the season 6, it needs a long time to see the effectiveness. I need to use that product for weeks to see that my wrinkles are not as deep as before, but surprisingly, when I applied on this new season 7 product onto my wrinkle, the wrinkle almost absolutely disappeared. My wrinkle is not that deep, so I'm still under 30. I don't have deep wrinkles. It really was better than I expected, because this is not a medical product, this is just full of natural ingredients. It's a natural product, so I really did not experience this kind of effect from other eye creams. Of course, if you have a deeper wrinkle, it will not be so detectable, but if you have like smaller fine lines, I'm sure you can also see the difference. The most important ingredient that this product has is the collagen that they broke down into really tiny particles, and these tiny collagen particles can go into your skin because they are smaller than your pores. Usually collagen products are not that good for anti-aging purposes. They are usually just moisturizing the skin because the collagen particles are too big to go into your skin. They usually stay on the surface, so it's just a protective layer. So they handle this situation by breaking down these collagen particles, so therefore they can provide an anti-aging ability for your skin. Because it has plenty of natural and active ingredients like no other cosmetic brand can provide. AHC eye creams seriously have like 100 different kind of natural active ingredients in them. It has a really long ingredient list, and there is only one ingredient that I don't really like. It's the perfume, but it contains a really tiny amount of perfume. It's in the end of the ingredient list, so if your skin is sensitive for perfume, you should be careful. You should check it first on your skin that it causes sensitivity or not, but I think this amount shouldn't cause any sensitivity. And only one thing left to mention is the usage. If you have seen my other video about the AHC Real Eye Cream for Face, maybe you remember that I mentioned it's really good for night usage, but it's not as good to use it in the morning, especially if you like to apply on makeup, because it's not that good together with makeup. At least I didn't like using together with foundation. So I tried this product also together with makeup and it worked really well, so I don't need to worry about this. I can apply it on at night and in the morning as well. It's a thick product, the texture is kind of thick, but it's really spreadable. It can spread on the skin easily and a really small amount is enough. Thank you for watching, I hope this video was helpful. See you next time, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!